Hi, this is Claire from AHA. Today I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful ideas portal and customize it to suit your needs, so you can give customers, employees and partners a central place to share feedback. Let's get started. Think of an ideas portal as a hub for innovation. It's where your community will come to submit new ideas and vote and comment on existing ones, so you can understand exactly what they want. AHA Ideas includes two types of portals, public and private. You can add as many portals as you need and invite unlimited users. Public portals allow anyone to submit and view ideas. Private portals are accessible only to users who meet your chosen criteria, such as a specific email domain, a list of invited users, or via single sign-on. Let's go ahead and create a new portal so you can see how easy it is to get started. First, give your new portal a name. Set a theme color that matches your brand, and then choose the access level. Now that you've created your portal, there's a lot you can do to really make it your own. Let's look at an ideas portal that is already built out so you can see the possibilities. You can customize nearly everything from the layout of your idea submission form to branding, emails and terminology. Branding makes your portal feel like a natural extension of your company. You already chose a theme color in the initial setup, but you can easily update it here if you need to. Then, add your company logo and a favicon. Custom options such as adding a custom domain and custom CSS and JavaScript make your portal look even more dynamic. You can also update the terminology in your portal to match the language your company uses. Go ahead and customize any of the button names, field names and text phrases. And as you make updates, you can easily toggle back and forth between the settings in the Live Ideas portal to see how your changes look. Now let's take a look at the portal experience from the perspective of your community. As a portal user, I can quickly browse recent, trending and popular ideas. I can also filter ideas by category and search by name. If I find an idea that resonates, I can add my vote or comment to join the discussion. Of course, I can also submit new ideas. Let's go ahead and create one right now. As I type my request, the auto lookup capability finds any similar ideas. A dynamic submission form makes it easy to fill in the details, ensuring that I only need to enter information that is relevant to my request. Once added, I can easily keep track of any ideas that I created or voted for by clicking My Ideas or My Votes. Now let's take a look at a few more ways you can customize your ideas portal to streamline the way you collect feedback. Portal translation is available in English, Spanish, German, French and Dutch. This is a great way to encourage people to share ideas in their language of choice. You can also control the visibility of new ideas based on different user types in your portal. Options include not visible, only visible to the idea creator, visible to internal users, or visible to all. Want to empower internal teams to capture feedback on behalf of your customers? Enable proxy voting in your private ideas portals to give sales and support teams a place to advocate for customers. Next, let's talk about notifications. Keeping your community informed of updates is a great way to show how responsive you are to their needs. AHA Ideas includes a built-in notification system, so you can do exactly that. You can brand and customize the email templates for inviting new users to your portal, thanking them for submitting an idea, and notifying them when the status of an idea changes. An admin gives a response, or a new comment is added. You can also manage who has access to your portal, control privacy settings, and enable single sign-on to make it super easy for people to log in and submit ideas. Gathering feedback while people are actively using your product helps you better understand what they really need. That is why AHA Ideas includes the ability to add an idea submission widget in your application. Users can click the light bulb icon that appears in your web application to quickly submit an idea. The experience is the same as if we were submitting ideas directly in a portal. And you can still review everything in one place in your AHA Ideas account. And that's it! Now you're ready to start crowdsourcing feedback. If you need help, use the question mark in your account. Get started today with a free 30-day trial of AHA Ideas, or request to join a live demo. Our customer success team has deep product expertise and responds incredibly fast. We want to help you engage with your community so you can deliver exactly what your customers, partners, and employees want.